Hello, we wanted to show you what is possible to do on a website. This is not a standard feature, but our friends over at Intermountain Alpine Club, we redesigned their website this last year. And this is a feature that is not an out-of-the-box feature on WordPress, but it is something that can be done. So I thought I'd show you this. Our team did a great job on the site itself. You can go take a look for yourself at imacnw.org. And if you're one who likes to hike and get out into nature, you might consider getting a membership. It's actually really inexpensive, but a great community of wonderful people. And so here what they have is when a group of people go out and do a trip, they wanted to log that trip. So what we did is, now this part you have to be a member and be logged in to actually get to this form. But I built this form that you can go in, you put in the trip name, featured image, the trip leader, a bunch of information, what kind of a trip it is. Then you have to put in the trailhead coordinates, or you can search for address, so it'll show up here. So there's some Google Map integration. Just a bunch of information on the details. You can actually, there's a place here where you can put your GPX file that everybody else can download. And then you can add up to 5 or 6 images to a gallery. Once that report is submitted, what happens is it creates this trips reports page automatically. It's basically a custom post. And now trip reports everybody can see, so if you visit the site, you don't have to be a member to see this part. You just have to be a member to submit the information. So you get to this page and you can see all the different trips that they have done. You can break it down and filter through backpacking or hiking, snowshoeing, socials, volunteer work. And so then when you click into it to get more information, here's all the details that they submitted, the date, featured image, location, the leader, attendees, the coordinates. You can view maps, which we'll get to that in a second. This is another really cool integration. Or you can download your GPX or FIT file. It's got a small little gallery of some of the pictures that were taken on this trip. So it's just a nice way to share the trip and the information about that. Now here's the other cool thing that this does. When this custom post type is submitted, all this information also goes to a map. So if you want to look and find a place to go hiking with your friends, these are all of those various places that have been submitted by the team. It's just a different view on Google Maps. It's also in list view below. So basically what you can do is you can zoom in on the map and you can say, hey, what's this like up at Rimrock? You click on it, pops up some basic information. Again, it's pulling it in from the submission to begin with on the form. But you can get directions, and it will actually open up in Google Maps and give you directions to this location. Or if you click on more details, it's going to take you back to that trip report. So this was just a fun way to integrate, where people have hiked and the stories that they share, and to help you if you're interested in going and visiting one of those sites. But along with all of the fancy features of this site, they've got some great information activities. They've got a whole education and outreach section. They have some equipment rentals. You can actually rent equipment from them. So yeah, go check it out. They've got a gallery page so you can check out really a lot of stuff that goes on with the group. Looks like they have a lot of fun and enjoy what they do. So if this is something you're interested in, have a look at IMAC Northwest, imacnw.org. And that's it for me. Take care.